Hey guys, if you've liked this video at the end, please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, like and share. Enjoy.
Alright, I'm going to show you something a little bit ridiculous here, but trust me, there's a point to this whole thing, right? I'm going to put myself in a really weird position. Alright, so I'm pretty much going to be in a space, and I'm gonna cock myself all the way to the left. Alright, and of course now I'm watching my trailer. As you can see, I'm getting within inches of this JB Hunt, but I can directly look at it, so I know I'm not going to hit it. Yeah, plus I got the drone footage as well, so. Anyway, so there's a reason why I'm doing this. To prove to you guys about where the axles are when you're pulling forward and stuff, right? So, as you can see here, I am pretty much as jacked as possible inside in the space. Alright, so how do I get out of this? Alright, it's very simple. Alright, now I want to get out of this space, and I do not want my axles to go anywhere to the left or anywhere to the right when it is parallel. Alright, so all you have to do is pull forward, hard right to the pull forward, and just only go a few feet. The reason why I'm in the space right now is to prove to you that you only need to go a few feet. And then you go all the way back to the left again. Stop. All the way to the right. Pull forward. Stop. All the way to the left. Reverse. Pull all the way to the right. Straighten up. And voila. That is straight. So the reason why I'm bringing this up is so many times people back into a space, and when they're all the way backed up to the dock, they're cocked to the left or they're cocked to the right, or angled to the left or angled to the right, and it's unnecessary. They're just so happy that they got into the dock where the forklift can load them. But if anybody wants to get into the space next to them, well, you're making it really hard. So this is to prove to you that you do not need to do it. So if you ever find yourself backed up into a space and you're cocked like this, look, this is all it takes. Little this way, a little that way, a little this way, a little that way, a little this way, a little that way. And as you can see, this did not move. All right, I didn't go anywhere close. Every time that I finished off straight where the trailer is parallel to these other trailers, it didn't move. All right, so to get myself in a position, it did that. So I hope you understand that. All right. So ever find yourself in a position like this where you're backed up and like, oh no, what am I supposed to do? You know, well, just do small little adjustments. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Okay. Anyway, I hope that was a little educational for you. But so if you're ever backed up into a dock and you're a little cocked, just do small little movements, and you'll be just fine. Just remember, this was more of a demonstration of how to straighten yourself up after you've been in the hole. All right. Try not to do exactly what I just did, but do it similar. Okay. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Take care. Bye bye. So if you click on any of these links, I have some more backing videos for you, and enjoy. Bye.